On with us, we also have Maulana Firangi Maheli, Muslim Personal Law Board. Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. We have seen now that the Supreme Court's interim order. What is your assessment on this interim order?
Yeah, our demand was that the entire Waqf Act should be stayed, but the Supreme Court has not stayed the entire Act. But we also welcome the stay given on some important provisions, like the stay given on Section 3 and 4, and the provision for a person must be a 5-year practicing Muslim to make his property work, and that the CEO must be a Muslim. This is also a very big step. And the overriding powers, the judicial power given by this act to the district collector to determine whether the property is a waqf or not has also been stayed. So we welcome all these judgments given by the Supreme Court, and we expect that whenever the final decision will come, we will get 100% relief, and we will continue to fight this case in the Supreme Court.
One more question to you, Maulana Firangi. In terms of the court putting on hold that the person, to hold the provision that the person should be practicing Islam for 5 years to create a waqf, it said that a provision will be stayed till rules are framed on determining whether a person is a practitioner of Islam. How do you think in your assessment, how do you think one will go about in terms of framing how a person is practicing Islam in terms of the framework that the government has to make?
There cannot be any, you can say, rule and regulation as to determine whether a person is a practicing Muslim or not. And such provision is not presently in any of the trust or endowment of other religion. So why discrimination is being done to the Muslim community?